watch delicious Indian recipes, subscribe channel my version of it. Link is given in description. To increase your old mobile phone speed, go to menu option, scroll it down and find settings. Okay, tap on it. Now scroll it down and find about phone. Okay, tap on it. Now you need to further scroll it down to find out build option. So here it is, build number. So tap on this option until the developer option will not be unlocked. Here we go. So now I need to go back. Here you can see that developer option is unlocked. Tap on it. Now find out animation scale. Developer option is quite lengthy, so it may take some time. Okay, scroll it down further. Alright, so here is window, transition and animator scale. So I will tap on it and I will make it 0.5x. Similarly I will do for transition and animator. So I will make it 0.5x. Okay, for sure it will increase your mobile speed. If your mobile phone is very old and speed is reduced, so for sure it will help. To watch more useful videos related to mobile phone, subscribe my channel.